Hello everyone, short video about oil leakage on Volkswagen Up. Actually, there is a leak from the drain plug. You can see sign of oil, and on the floor some patch because someone too tight this bolt and strip thread. It's quite easy to repair, don't need any special tool, just order repair set on Amazon, and with Ratchet just you can fix yourself at your home garage. Before you order thread repair set, you have to find out what size of thread on your car. I use GPT, of course, and if I found that it's M14. That's why I order M15 thread repair set. If you have exactly similar, I can drop a link on the description. You can order same. And now I will show you how easy to repair this thread. Let's do it. First, warm up engine and drain the oil. Remove oil filter as well, because after thread repair, better to replace the oil, of course. All oil nearly drained, but I don't want to waiting until every single drop going down. I will start to do the thread. We take this thread maker, fit it on the hole and slightly hammer it, just slightly. Yeah, make sure it have to be straight, exactly straight in the hole. And with 9mm spanner, you can start to make thread. Spin clockwise. Job done, new thread was made, and now I fit new plug with washer. Tight with 19mm. That's it. Job done. Thank you for watching.